Okay, you guys have a E66, 2005 or 2003 to 2008. Uh, no crank, no start, gear selector flashing. It's a 740, 750i Li. So no crank, no start, gear shifter flashing, and no communication with the entire network of the PT CAN network. I spent like 8 hours diagnosing it, but it turns out to be that there was water leaking from the roof and it's going into the electric parking brake module. So I all I did was unplugged it and I restored the PT can. Now all the terminating resistors were fine, but 750 Li. If you ever have this car with the N62 engine, it's the electric parking brake module probably submerged in water. Check for water in the trunk always. If you see any water in the trunk, know that the electric parking brake taking the whole network down.